श्रीनिवासाय पंढरीपुरवासिने पांडुरंगप्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः. मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहरणे श्रीमदानंदतीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः. Dear children of God, Jai Sri Krishna, Namaste. In continuation with yesterday's message is today's message. Look at Krishna as knowledge and wealth. Tvameva vidya chadravidam tvameva. The Lord is knowledge. What is education today? It's a big rush for certain courses in certain seasons. It's an arena for unhealthy competition, both among the teachers and the taught. Institutions are big edifices without a soul. They are vast campuses which look bereft of humans. They seem desolate even when children are studying there. The degrees that are obtained after graduation seem to be the be-all and end-all of life for the students who do not realize real education starts after graduation. No wonder Mark Twain remarked, "Of course I went to school. It did not interfere with my education." Today's student is unprepared for life, both at home and in the wide world. At the smallest tension, he or she resorts to suicide, which is the beginning of an unknown problem. The worst part about education today is that it is information, technology, seminars, research papers, thesis, degrees, nothing to touch the heart, certainly not the soul of the student or later the teacher. Our children come out of colleges like robots, not knowing what to do on their own. They have a herd instinct in choosing careers, and after they get a job, they are holding on to it desperately for survival. The parents are also products of the same vicious educational system. Hence, their demands on children are at times inhuman. The child is lost at home, confused at office, makes the first impulsive choice in love, and repents later. What is Vidya? According to our scriptures, it is that which aims at liberation. From what? Our own selves, our weaknesses, our earthliness, to reveal to us our basic spiritual nature, which is today shrouded by technology. The Lord has to be invoked as that Vidya, who will give us the courage to face life. Today, my college education and degrees do not sustain me as my reading of our scriptures and the preaching of my gurus. The Lord has to be prayed to as our wealth. What is wealth? The capacity or means to buy what you want for a comfortable living. A house, a vehicle, a means of sustenance in the long run. But that wealth is not enough, because we have seen excess of that wealth has led to depression, loneliness, and drug addiction. There are persons who have multi-storied buildings, golden cars and aircrafts, the best of jewelry, and hosts of servants, but cannot sleep in peace. Wealth by itself is not wholesome unless it is utilized in the proper way. One needs to pamper oneself, no doubt with one's earning, but not beyond a certain limit. My school poem reminds me, where wealth accumulates, men decay. It's not wealth as such that I object. It is the weird way of hoarding wealth, which is far from good. Wealth, according to our philosophy, is a means and should never be an end. If we worship God, not Krishna, as our wealth, He looks after us and also sustains us. He saves us from misery and danger. He stands by us all along. He bestows on us our needs, and as I said, like a mother gives before we ask. Wealth as Krishna or Krishna as wealth will keep us sober and safe. To possess Him is to possess everything in the world. He is the ultimate goal for this journey called life. He guides us along the path to reach this goal. It all depends on how we define wealth. If wealth to us is just gold, silver, currency, and property, we will never attain Him. If we aim at attaining Him, the rest will follow. दान न मांगू, धर्म न मांगू, सोना चांदी कुछ न मांगू, तुझसे मैं तुझी को मांगू. अंदर प्यास बुझाने आजा, मोह की रात हटाने आजा, प्रेम विकास फैलाने आजा आजा. गोविंद मुकुंद माधव केशव विठ्ठल नारायणा. हरे गोविंद मुकुंद माधव केशव विठ्ठल नारायणा. अंदर प्यास बुझाने आजा, मोह की रात हटाने आजा, कृष्ण प्रेम फैलाने आजा आजा. तुझसे मैं तुझी को मांगू, अंदर प्यास बुझाने आजा आजा. गोविंद मुकुंद माधव केशव विठ्ठल नारायणा. हरी गोविंद मुकुंद माधव केशव विठ्ठल नारायणा.